Hey, it's Mac here, and we are going to do some more graphing. Okay, so now on these, it's going to be a little bit different. They're going to give us a point, and they're going to give us a slope. Now, they tell us a point, but it doesn't really matter because they're going to show it, and we're just going to go off of what they give us. Now, before we do it, let's just remind you that you can find all these and more at maxtutorials.com, and I really appreciate the likes and subscribes. It really genuinely helps me, so I appreciate that. Okay? So here we go. The slope is going to be 2 over 3. Now we talked before, it's going to be rise over run. Okay, and if you go this way or that way, it's positive. And if you go that way or that way, it's negative. So you want to do the top number is your ups and downs, the bottom numbers is your lefts and rights. So if I'm going to start at this right here, okay, and I'm going to make a little bit of a thicker line. I'm going to start right here. My slope is up 2 over 3, and they're both positive. I'm going to put a dot there. I'm just going to connect the lines. Okay, and that right there is my line. Number 2, they give me a point right here. That's great. My slope is negative 1 over 2. Okay, so if it's negative 1, it means I go down 1 and then over 2. That's all I need. Now, if you want a nice, pretty line, you can keep going. Now, remember, negative 1 over 2 is the same as 1 over negative 2, right? They mean the same thing. Up 1, left 2. Look, that works too. So however you want to do it, that's, oh, wait, I did something wrong. That should have been there. Sorry. Okay, down 1 over 2. All right, let's keep going. Here they give you a point, and they want a slope of 3 over 2. Well, that's positive 1, 2, 3, and positive 1, 2. That's my rise over run, and your line's going to look something like that. Okay, technically you should have arrows because they go on forever, but I'm being a little bit quick and dirty here. Sorry about that. Okay, now here I got 4 and 2. My slope is negative 2 over 1. So it's down 2 over 1. Boom. That's all you need to make a line. Okay, all you need to do to make a line is all you need is 2 points, and you got it. Here we go. My slope is 1 over 3. Rise 1 over 3. Rise 1 over 3. Or down 1, left 3, however you want to see it. My line will do something like that. Number 6, they give me a point, and I want to go down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. So it's good to know to go both ways, because what if they started on this one? You can't go down 3. Okay, so down 3 over 2 is the same as up 3, left 2, right? So I could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Either way. Okay, there you go. Let's go on to number 7 here. Okay, I'm going to start at this, and I'm going to go point. Sorry, that's my point. My slope is 2, but remember, always write slope as a fraction. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. If you do that, you know you're going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, and you get a line. A lot of times what students will do is they'll see that 2 and they'll think it's a 0 on the bottom. It's not. It's a 1. Okay. Now this one is a negative 4. Again, negative 4 over what? Over 1. So from this point, I'm going to go down 4 over 1. Down 4 over 1. Or up 4 over 1. Again, you only need to do, that was a bad line. Ooh, wow. Sorry about that, but I think you guys get the point. So that right there, if you're given a point and you know the slope, you can always come up with a line. All right, guys, really nice job. I'll see you on the next one.